This one here. The first thing I know I'm going to have, I don't have a vertical line or a horizontal line. I think I'll start with my dotted line. So I know with this dotted line I'm either going to have greater than or less than. Now how do I know which one I'm going to have? It would be the shading. So as I look at this line, here's my line. So green must be the shading that goes with that. And the shading is above the line, so I know I have greater than. So for my dotted line, it's going to be y is greater than, and then I have to figure out the slope and the y-intercept. I want to put it in y equals mx plus b form. I want to find the slope and the y-intercept. The y-intercept is easy to find. This line crosses the y-axis at 2, so now I'm going to have a plus 2. I'm going to put my x here. Now I have to figure out the slope. This line is rising to the right, so the slope is positive, and I have to rise 1, 2 over 1 to get to a dot on this line, or a point on this line. Since I made these graphs, then you'll look for where I made my dots. But if you are working from problems in a textbook or problems where you have this beautiful perfect graph, then you're going to look where the line actually crosses perfectly at a whole number or integer ordered pair. So again, my slope was up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. So then I know y is greater than 2x plus 2 is the equation for that line. Now let's do the second one. Okay, so now I know it's a solid line, so I'm either going to have less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Well, which one am I going to have? Looking at this solid line and following that line, the shading that goes with it is yellow. Okay, so where's that yellow shading at? It's above that line. So greater than or equal to is the inequality symbol I'm going to have. Now I need the y-intercept. Where does it cross the y-axis? It crosses at -1, -2, -3, -4. So I'm going to have a -4 here. I'll go ahead and put my x, and then I need to find my slope. This line has a negative slope, so I'm going to go ahead and put a negative sign. And I would rise 2, run 1, 2, 3. This looks like 2/3. Let's try again. Rise 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Let's try again down below. Down 2, 1, 2, 3. So yes, my slope is -2/3. So that's my system of equations for that graph. Okay, let's look at this one. Oh, look, I have a horizontal line, so I know that's a y. And I have a vertical line. I know that's an x. This is a dotted line, so it's either going to be greater than or less than. Where's the shading? The shading is above that dotted line, so I know it's greater than. Okay, this is a solid line, so it's either going to be greater than or equal, sorry, that's less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Where's the shading? It's to the left. Right, here's my solid line. Yes, it's to the left of this line. It's purple, and here's where the purple and the pink. Here's pink, and here's purple, and there's purple and pink together. So it's to the left, which would be less than. Okay, so let's put y is greater than, and x is less than or equal to. Now, how do we figure out what numbers to put here? Well, here's what you do. For your y, count on the y-axis from the origin down 1, 2, 3. So y is greater than -3. And then for your x, from the origin left, -1, -2. So x is less than or equal to -2. There's my system of equations for the second one.